Let us discuss an interesting question from the chapter complex number. Question has been taken from miscellaneous exercise of NCERT book of standard 11. Here question number 7. Question is, let Z1 is equal to 2 minus I and complex number Z2 is minus 2 plus I. We have to find first real part of Z1 into Z2 by Z1 bar, and second imaginary part of 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar. So you know that if Z in the standard form A plus IB, then here real part of Z is A and imaginary part of Z is coefficient of I, which is B. Okay, so we know it. Let us see the solution here. We'll start with the first part. We have to find real part of Z1 into Z2 by Z1 bar. So first, Z1 bar means conjugate of Z1. So first of all, we will simplify this expression. Z1 into Z2 by Z1 bar. Let us put these values. Z1 is 2 minus I, Z2 is minus 2 plus I upon Z1 bar. Z1 is 2 minus I, bar means conjugate. So sign of imaginary part will be changed. So this is equal to 2 plus I. Now we will simplify it, multiplying these two factors. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 2 into I, that is 2I, minus I into minus 2, that is 2I. I square is minus 1, one more minus is here. So this is equal to plus 1 divided by 2 plus I. And this is minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, and 4I upon 2 plus I. Here we will multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I. So multiplying numerator and denominator with 2 minus I. 2 minus I. Okay. So let us simplify it. Minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6, minus 3 into minus I, that is plus 3I, 4I into 2, that is 8I, 4I minus I into I square, that is minus 1, one more minus is here, so it becomes plus 4, divided by, here denominator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So this is 2 square minus I square. So we are getting here Z1 into Z2 by Z1 bar is equal to minus 6 plus 4. This is minus 2. 3I plus 8I is 11I divided by, this is 4. And I square is minus 1, one more minus is here, so plus 1, 4 plus 1. This is 5. Now we will segregate real part and imaginary part. Real part is, this is minus 2 by 5 and imaginary part is I into 11 by 5. So therefore, real part of Z1 into Z2 by Z1 bar is equal to, this is called real part. So this is equal to minus 2 by 5. This is the answer of the first part of the question. Correct? Now let us discuss second part. Here also first of all we will simplify 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar. So either we will multiply these two factors or we can use the formula Z into Z bar is equal to Z into Z bar is equal to mod of Z square. We can apply this formula also, or we can multiply these two complex numbers, we'll get the result. So first of all we will simplify 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar. This is equal to 1 upon Z1 is 2 minus I and its conjugate Z1 bar is 2 plus I. Correct? This is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus B square. A square means 2 square minus I square, and numerator is 1, and this is equal to 1 upon, and this is 4, and here I square is minus 1, minus 1 of minus is plus 1. So we are getting here 1 by z1 into z1 bar is equal to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. This can also be written as 1 by 5 plus I into 0. There is no imaginary part, or you can say imaginary part is 0. So therefore imaginary part of 1 upon z1 into z1 bar, this is equal to, this is imaginary part, 0. This is the answer of the second part of this question, 0. Correct? So very interesting question. Hope you have understood, you have enjoyed it. So your likes are most welcome, and share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.